Y'all know about the very infamous Key Largo chaparral. But it actually has a version of itself, and it was named Junior. Here it is. This is a 42-inch, or 42-inch? I think it's a 42-inch fan. I don't know much about this one, honestly. Key Largo Jr ceiling fan in brass, or polished brass. I got this from Matt Cody. It's 3 speeds and K55, or stack motor at least, and I really like it. Started up on low. Now this fan is a bit fast, but you know, do I need to explain, like, 42-inch fan, K50 or stack motor? What do you usually get? Especially with these smaller fans. And it's funny that there's a Homestead sign there, but I'm filming a Key Largo. Be even cooler if there was an actual one of these right here. Here's medium. I don't use medium on this fan because there's like no difference between medium and high besides like airflow and speed wise. You know, medium just seems way too fast for me. And yeah. Here's high. Does wobble a little bit. The reverse switch is inside the motor. It is right there. I'm pretty sure you can see it. There's the tag. And let's do spin down. I'll try to get a picture of the tag real quick. Future video. Maybe. I don't know if that was a future video or not. I don't keep track of what videos I upload sometimes. I just don't. This fan has a decent spin down time, I might add. I like that there's that little painting, it appears to be. It looks like a painting on the wall, but really I think it's just foundation steel man. It looks like a meteor. That's gonna do it for this video. Thanks for watching.